Hello, this is Crazy T the Movie Guy here again. I was gonna shave before I made this video, but you know, I just want to make I just want everybody to know how much I love this movie. Birds of Prey, The Emancipation of Harley Quinn. I bought it today. It's still wrapped up in the book, in the wrapping paper. Here's Harley Quinn. Birds of Prey, The Emancipation of Harley Quinn. I mean, I loved this movie. She betrays so many bosses in here. Especially the part where the guy rips their faces off. That scene is priceless. I mean, not priceless, I mean, pretty messed up. But this is a movie I always wanted to own since I saw it in theaters. And that is Birds of Prey, The Emancipation of Harley Quinn. And this is the best in the DC universe, DC Comics. I'm a huge fan of DC Comics. And we all know Harley Quinn, who is in love with the Joker, and, Suicide Squad. Remember Suicide Squad? That's where she's from, but she's in love with the Joker no matter what. Anyway, that's my video, my pickup. It is awesome. I give it a 5 out of 5, 10 out of 10. I love this movie. I had to own it. I had to. I had to own it. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. Subscribe and like.